Hey guys, it's Maskmind here on my second channel, Mask Beats, and today I want to go over my most recent beat, Spaceships, which is a Lil Uzi Eternal It Takes type beat. The way I made this was I had a Nexus preset. Since I am just kind of broke, I had to get I was finding like free Nexus presets, and I had infinite, high, and I had foreign on it. Foreign's on here. But here's the MIDI that I put in. I was using it on my keyboard and stuff, and this is how I made it. I just quantized and moved some things up. Here's how this sounds. When I made it, it gave me some Lil Uzi vibes, but also it gave me Panini by Lil Nas X type vibes also. So I was debating it, but then I found that I put this in here. Yeah. Where is it? This. No. Found that. This is what I was trying to find. So there's that. Here's the drums on its own. I have this little intro. That's the kick pattern. The snares, just kind of basic. I got this perk right here. These hi-hats. Got this open hi-hat that plays there. And the last thing is this bass that I got. And all together, it sounds like this. course, since the beat is not free for it's not a free for profit beat. It's free for non-profit, and I will be posting the beat for this right after this one. So you can go and check out this beat, and you can go to my BeatStars and download the lease, and you can download the tagged version of this beat on there too. Subscribe to me on here, and subscribe to my main channel because I'm also a rapper. If you want to go check out my raps, that'd be highly appreciated. Subscribe to me on there too. It's Maskamind, and yeah, see you later.